Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and back for another quick job. On this job, what we're doing today is we're going to be hanging a dryer vent for a Samsung dryer. Let me turn you around to that now. Now, this was a window that we had, a glass block window that we had installed for the homeowner probably, I want to say last summer. And we never got around to installing a dryer vent, and we will do that now. And just if you were wondering what the windows look prior to this install, this is what they look like. As you can see, the windows are very old and needing of replacement. And with this homeowner, we're doing them one window at a time, according to budget, and it makes sense. And that's another one of the basement windows. And there's one close up to it. We don't have to go over there and look at it, but you can see, you know, it needs to be changed. And that's why they elected to change this. Now, this is what we're using. We're using flex foil duct for dryer, kitchen, and bath fan venting. Now, we're going to go ahead and apply this. Let's get on that. Okay, this is the opening for our dryer vent. And what we're going to do is simply take our foil opening. We're going to take our clamp and we're going to put this around here, and we're going to fix it around the bottom connection, and then we're going to tighten it up. Let's do that now. Okay, we slid that on. Now, the only thing we're going to do is tighten that up with our Leatherman. I'm going to tighten that up so it gets a nice tight fit, because we want those exhaust fumes exhausting out of the residence. You want that tight, but not too tight. Just around that pipe really well. Okay, we got that. Now we're just gonna orientate the machine around as such. We're not going to depress it up against that wall, because we don't want that tube getting kinked. Okay, that's about right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and size up the rest of it. Now, as you can see, we don't want 25 feet hanging and you have just, you know, this pipe as you can see just on the floor resting like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this excess that we don't need where my thumb is. I'm going to simply take my Leatherman, come across, and simply cut that all the way around as such. And as you can see, this will be our new sized opening, because this is a safety issue. You don't want lint pooling up at the bottom of this, and that can happen. Okay, now we'll go ahead and cut this little metal piece that goes around the vent, giving it a little bit of structural integrity, if you will. Okay, cut that off. Now we're left with this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to work this onto our opening. Okay, as you can see, we tucked it away through the little hole here, locked it off. It's in there tight. And as you can see, we don't have a lot of line just hanging. We cut just enough to get us up to the window and out for exhaust. And be sure that you change these regularly, because lint can build up and you don't want to fire. Okay, with that being said, we got this taken care of. Now we're going to go on to the next job. With that being said, please like and subscribe, and also be safe and think safe. And with that being said, talk to you later. On to the next job.